back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great, and let's get right into today's video. So for this video, I will be showing you guys how I create an easy marble ink design. Now, as you guys can see, I have already prepped and applied my full cover tips, and I will be using my UV LED Melody Susie gloves just to protect my hands from all of that exposure that I've been doing lately. So for this set, I will be using my Nail Reserve base coat, my Nail Reserve White Attic, and my Makartt Blooming Gel, also known as Marble Ink Gel Polishes. So to start off this design, I will be adding 2 coats of White Attic to my full cover tips, and this is just to make sure that the marble ink is opaque when doing this design. So once I've already applied the white polish, here are the marble inks, and this comes with 6 marble ink polishes. Also, they call it Blooming Nail Gel Polish, and these colors are green, lead, yellow, azure, fuchsia, and gold. And now I'm just trying to figure out which colors I wanted to use. I know I wanted to use all of them. I just did not know what colors for which fingers and how I wanted to go about it. So I just began to freestyle. And so I decided to take my green, and because these are ink gel polishes, you just need to dab a little bit on the nail, and then you just take your alcohol with your gel brush and basically dilute the polish to create that marble design. Now I went in with azure, which is this blue color, because I wanted to blend it, and I just wanted to mix it up a bit. The best marbles I find is that when you use more than one color, and it just creates this beautiful combination of colors. So that's what I decided to do. Then I just felt like it was just becoming too blended. So you're going to see me use, go back and forth with the colors, and then go back and forth with the alcohol until I get it the way I want it. I wasn't sure, like I said, I wasn't sure how I wanted them to look. So this finger is basically like my experimental finger. I was like, oh, let me just add this fuchsia, and I just loved the way that purple came out, because once it blended with the blue and the green, it turned purple. So because that's what colors do, they'll blend together, and that's one thing about marble ink, they blend beautifully together. So that is my favorite part about marble ink. It's very easy to blend colors. So I just left that. I like the way it looked a bit, and so I just left that and went to my ring finger, and now I took fuchsia, azure, and green, and basically did the same thing. Took my alcohol with my brush and just started diluting it and spreading it around and just blending it all together, creating that marble look. Now, as you guys saw, I went back and forth with my alcohol and adding colors back and forth, and I think these came out so beautiful. So now I wanted to try some other colors, and I decided to try the yellow, the lead, and the gold. And that lead is more of like a black, so that's, the lead color, that you guys might be wondering, what is lead? So that's that black color, and now I'm just blending it with the alcohol. And so a part of me did not like this combination of colors. You'll find that some combination of colors go better than others. So I just started adding different colors with this. I added fuchsia, then I added green, then I added azure, until I liked, how it came out. And this one does look a bit different than the two, the middle finger and the ring finger, because I did not add the lead and the gold. And I think the lead is a little bit hard to work with because it is black. Black is not always go with all these kind of colors, because these, I don't know. I think black could have just went with the gold, and that would have been the two colors to go with, instead of like fuchsia, green, and blue. I just don't think that it would have worked all together with that. And I did add some yellow to the middle finger and the green ring finger, as you guys can see, and I think that looked really cute. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going to be adding colors, using the alcohol, and you guys can watch how I create these beautiful marble ink design. Now, once I was happy with my marble ink design, I'm going to go in with my Nail Reserve top coat and top coat all of the nails for 60 seconds. And voila, guys, look how gorgeous these came out. So beautiful. These were effortless, like beginner friendly. I am so in love. I love marble ink just because of this. It creates these beautiful designs and you don't need to do much at all. You don't have to go crazy like I did with all of the different colors. You could keep it simple if you like, but I love the colors and how they blend so well together. Also, guys, please let me know if you like me making these shorter videos where I get straight into the design, or if you want to see me prep and apply the full cover tips. Please let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.